I'll present in a short moment an interactive TV project we have launched 1 year ago with Exalid and some other companies from the Quero consortium. Before starting, one word about France 24. France 24 is a news platform launched in 2006. It is public funded. It was the first channel and website ever to broadcast simultaneously in English, French and Arabic. It is designed as a 100% digital channel. We have 8 million unique visitors a month on the web and on mobile. In 2006, the first 48 hours of France 24 were on the internet. We have been streamed on the web before being classically broadcasted. Internet is in our DNA. We had 1 million visitors for the first day. In 2007, we launched our UGC news website named The Observers. Today, The Observers is a 3 languages website in French, English and Arabic, edited by France 24 journalists. The contents are created by amateurs, non-journalists people. We count more than 5,000 witnesses all over the world. In 2009, we launched our first iPhone app. It was the first time a news TV was live streamed on the iPhone. Today, the mobile audience of France 24 has reached 1 million users a month. In April this year, France 24 was available on the iPad, the day the iPad was launched in the US. France 24 iPad app has been ranked best media app on the iTunes Store by the users during the first month. Now, we are working on what we consider as the next step for TV, connected TV. Why? Let's follow this use case. Imagine you come back home after a work day, or you are on business travel. You are switching on your TV to watch the latest news. You're surfing and finding the news channel you're looking for. Let's say it's France 24. Well, you have a very small chance to catch the news right at the beginning of the program. You're quite sure to watch it 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after it starts. This is why we started a new project 2 years ago with a simple goal in mind, giving to the user a full control of our live broadcasted contents. But what does it mean? We started the project by developing a browser app, Silverlight. This browser app allows to navigate inside the live broadcasting program using chapters coming from the France 24 electronic program guide. Today, Internet users can navigate through 24 hours of France 24 program with this app. It is available on france24.com. Very quickly, we found a limit due to the continuous property of video data. We wanted to propose video indexation and searching, semantic tagging and chaptering, and video hyperlinks inside our feed. The main difference between text and video in terms of semantic processing comes from the fact that we cannot easily extract data from videos like we do it with text. The only solution we found was to use the text attached to the video. I should say extracted from the video. Using speech-to-text, named entity recognition, and search engine. This is where Exalid helped us. They were working on this for a while, and we had some change because speech-to-text worked really well on our contents, because on news channels, speakers speak quite slowly and clearly. Most of the time, they are alone and in front of the camera. Let's illustrate what I'm talking about. Here's a demo of France 24 video contents and Exalid technology. The demo illustrates chaptering and semantic tagging. You see here the prototype we have developed with several companies from the Quero consortium, Exalid, Yacast and Vexis. On the left, you see the live stream of France 24. You can have the full control on it and able to navigate through the timeline. Each entry in the electronic program guide is clickable. On the right, you see an automatic speech-to-text transcription. This transcription is synchronized. Now, inside the timeline, because we can analyze the extracted transcript, we are able to associate named entities tags, peoples, places, or organization names to sequences. This demo is freely accessible on France 24 website. You can test it. But how it works? The France 24 live feed is catched by an encoder and transformed into a digital audio plus video feed. This feed is injected inside the transcription process. The output of this process is a timestamped XML. This XML is injected into a named entity recognition engine, the Exalid engine. And at the end of the workflow, the three elements, the video stream, the extracted text, and the named entities are displayed inside the app I showed you. But everything I presented is available only on the computer, a browser in fact, not a TV set. Now, our next goal is your TV set. We are working on a new version of the system. It should be available on Google TVs on the first quarter of next year. For the first version on Google TV, we are still trying to evaluate what technology we'll use, Flash or HTML5. This new version will provide VOD with an access to the full catalog of France 24 in 3 languages, automatic captions using the speech-to-text technology we demonstrated before, also access to filtered content by using semantic tags extracted from the videos. We also have a prototype using Facebook Connect to present contents read by communities on Facebook. Each content in the system can be geolocalized by semantic extraction, so we'll be able to display geolocated news. And one of the most interesting things, on our point of view, will be video hyperlinks. Video hyperlinks will be generated automatically by requesting our database. This request will be using the extracted semantic tags we've talked about earlier. Each time you'll see on our program something associated to a named entity, a place, a people name, or organization, we'll be able to provide you a content associated to this named entity extracted from our last day's news contents database. Maybe we'll also be able to provide other media contents. It can be a very interesting way to create value by linking videos contents coming from several news media. So here we are, and we hope to present you our new version of this application near the beginning of next year. Thank you.